Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So this video will be interesting because I am doing a giveaway and I will mention more about it, explain the rules later on in the video. So please make sure that you watch it until the end. That way you don't miss any information about it. So for this set, I'm going to be recreating Nails by Vic nails. This set, she did the pink and glitter galaxy nails. When I watched the video, I thought that they were so cute and I just wanted to recreate them, so I will be doing that in today's video. And I will link her video down below if you guys want to check that out. And I just love her channel so much. I was subscribed to her when she was at like 200 subscribers and now she's at 125,000, which is very much deserved because she does such a good job with nails and she's so young. So make sure you guys go check her out. But let's get into this video. So I put these nails on using the apres method. I just used some base gel and applied the tips. I cured them under the light and gave them a final 60-second cure to make sure they were completely on. And here I'm just putting on some base coat and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. So these are the polygels that I'm going to be using. I'm using purple and glitter from vrenmol. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. And I'm using white and pink from modelones. And the purple was a little bit too dark for what I wanted to go for, so I'm just mixing that into some white. I'm just mixing that white into the purple to get a lighter purple. On my mixing plate, I will link everything that I use down below just in case you guys want to check that out. And I will add the other colors to the mixing plate because the way I'm gonna put these onto the nails is easier to just grab it with a spatula compared to squeezing it out on the nails, and you will see when I get there. And then here I have some clear acryl gel. I put some on the plate, but I didn't really need it. I thought I was gonna use it, but doing this set I didn't really need it. So I'm just picking some of the polygel up with the spatula and just putting into like a marble design. I will continue mixing the glitter and the pinks and the purple until the whole nail is completely covered, and then I'm gonna take my brush dipped into some 70% rubbing alcohol and just patting that into place. So for this part, when I'm patting the polygel, I just lightly pat the polygel, making sure that it covers the whole nail. And I didn't really mix it too much because if I did, it would throw off my galaxy marble design. So I just pat it lightly. And then once I got that covering the whole nail, I'm gonna go in with these little star sequins little things. So while the polygel is still wet, I'm just gonna lightly press these into the polygel, so that way once I encapsulate these nails, nothing is sticking up and none of the design gets filed away. And after each nail is finished, I'm just gonna cure for 30 seconds and then move on to the next nail. And I did leave out the ring finger because that one was giving me a little bit of trouble, so I just move on to the next finger. And I will be back to explain the rules and let you guys know what's going to be given away. So these are how the nails are looking so far, and so far I do love these. So the next step, I'm going to encapsulate, and I'm just going to show one finger just to keep this video short. So on to the part that you guys have been waiting for, the giveaway rules. And thank you to the ones who have watched up to this far without skipping. So obviously the first rule, you must be subscribed to my channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. The second thing you must do is like the video. The third thing you must do is follow me on Instagram. I will leave it on the screen and also down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go follow me. And I'm going to post the giveaway post on Instagram. So the fourth thing you must do is tag a friend underneath that post. And then the final step, once you have done all of those, comment something that you like about my channel, or comment the reason you subscribe to me, and then comment done with your Instagram name. And the winner will be chosen in about 1 or 2 weeks. I'm not sure. I will keep you guys updated, and it will be chosen randomly. And yeah, those are the steps to enter the giveaway. So what I'm going to be giving away is this Polygel kit by SXC Cosmetics. It includes 6 polygel. It is their pink and bling polygel kit. It comes with 6 polygels. It comes with 2 temperature changing effects, 2 glow in the dark, and 2 sparkling glitters. And it has some rhinestones, dual forms, you know, all of that good stuff included. So if you would like a chance to win, please make sure that you do all the steps below. I will be checking. And good luck to everyone who enters. So after I done filing, these are what the nails are looking like. And this length, y'all, I love this length, but I can never like wear these for too long because they just gets in the way. So the last step, I'm just gonna add some top coat to these nails. I'm using modelones top coat. I'm just gonna put an even layer over all the nails, and then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. And of course, I'm just going to add my cuticle oil and rub that in. And these are what the nails are looking like. I love these. I will leave Nails by Vic video down in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. And I love how these turn out. And as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.